This is the Star Learning Series. We're going to do the alphabet letter M. The sound is M. M for monkey. Say the sound and words after me. M. Monkey. A monkey likes to swing in the trees. M. Mare. A mommy horse is called a mare. M. Man. My father is a man. M. Men. One man, many men. M. Male. Male is another word for man. M. Mother. My mother is a lady. M. Mouth. This is my mouth. M. Minister. A minister works in a church. M. Mechanic. A mechanic fixes cars. M. Miner. The miner works underground in the mine. M. Middle. This man is standing in the middle. Well done. M. Music. He is listening to the music. M. Makeup. My sister puts on makeup every day. M. Medicine. The doctor gives me medicine when I am ill. M. Mirror. I look in the mirror when I brush my hair. M. Microwave oven. I warm up the food in a microwave oven. M. Mop. She cleans the floor with a mop. M. Mat. This mat has the word welcome on it. M. Match. I light the fire with a match. Match. Tom plays a rugby match at school. Mango. My grandfather likes to eat a mango. Well done. Melon. Mom eats a melon for lunch. Mulberry. Dad picks a mulberry off the tree. Marie biscuit. I eat a Marie biscuit for lunch. Meat. She buys meat from the supermarket. Mutton. Meat from a sheep is called mutton. Milk. A cow gives us milk. Maize. This is called a maize or a millie. Maize meal. This is a packet of maize meal. Macaroni. On Saturday, Mom will make macaroni with cheese. Mushroom. My aunt cut the mushroom into small pieces. Marshmallows. She buys marshmallows at the shop. Menu. I ordered a hamburger and chips off the menu. Marigold. Marigold is the name of this flower. Mouse. A mouse likes to eat cheese. Mice. One mouse, many mice. Well done. Moon. I see the moon in the sky at night. Map. A map shows me where to go. Mountain. This is a symbol for mountain. Mug. I drink coffee out of a mug. Mask. I wear a mask to the party. Mess. This bedroom is a mess. Mattress. This is the mattress on the bed. March. We march to the music. March. March is the third month in the year. May. May is the fifth month in the year. Minus. Minus means to take away. Money. I save my money to buy a car. Well done. Mix. She will mix the sauce in a bowl. Melt. The ice cream will melt in the sun. Mosquito. A mosquito is a small insect. More. There are more apples in this group. Misty windows. In winter, we can have misty windows. Man's hat. This is a man's hat. Meow. The sound a cat makes is called a meow. Muscles. A bodybuilder has big muscles. Moth. The moth likes to fly to the light at night. Microphone. The comedian talks into the microphone. Well done. Macaw. The macaw is a type of bird. Married. My mommy and daddy are married. Movie actor. A movie actor is a man who acts in movies. Movie actress. A movie actress is a lady who acts in movies. Musician. A musician plays a musical instrument. Motorbike. I ride to the shop on my motorbike. Measuring tape. A tailor uses a measuring tape. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.